Hold on. There we go.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 1:30 a.m. At 11:27 p.m., a surge of wind from showers and thunderstorms located along a line extending from Winthrop Harbor to Wonder Lake, moving south at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Cameron Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont
There's some
Harbor.
decent lightning up here.
Move to Safe Harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is NOAA's West.